Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our zoology online class. Hope you are very happy and hope you are studied the last class portions also. Okay, in the last class we have studied about two important topics. The first topic is histology of gut and the second one is digestive glands. Okay, histology of gut means the wall of the digestive system or the wall of the alimentary canal is made up of four important layers. So in the last class we studied about what are the layers are present in the wall of the gut or alimentary canal. Okay, and then after that we studied about some important digestive glands, salivary gland, and then gastric gland, liver, pancreas, like that some glands also we have completed in the last class. Okay, so hope you all studied all these question answers. Okay, and I already told you, and these glands are very important for 3-mark questions and many 1-mark questions also there. Okay, so okay dear students, today in this class we are going to study about digestion. Okay, see, actually inside the digestive system the digestion processes takes place in 3 regions. Maximum the digestion takes place in 3 parts of our alimentary canal. Okay, so first the digestion takes place inside the mouth, then the digestion processes takes place inside the stomach, and the maximum food materials are digested inside the small intestine. Okay, so mouth, stomach and small intestine. So these 3 regions are the site for the digestion. So in these regions only maximum food materials are digested. Okay, and the definition for the word digestion is conversion of solid food molecules into easily absorbable and assimilable substance is called digestion. Okay, so the process of conversion of solid food materials into easily absorbable and assimilable substance is called digestion. Okay, understand of you? Then already in the last class I told you there are 2 types of digestion that takes place in the alimentary canal. One is the mechanical digestion and the second one is the chemical digestion. So 2 important process takes place in this digestion. One is the mechanical process and second one is the chemical process. Understand? So once again repeat the definition for the word digestion: conversion of solid food materials into easily absorbable and assimilable substance is called digestion. Okay dear friend, so in this class we are going to study about the digestion in buccal cavity, that means mouth. Okay, but digestion in buccal cavity and digestion in stomach. Okay, how the food materials are digested in buccal cavity and stomach. Okay, listen very carefully my dear students. See, so first we are going to study about the digestion in buccal cavity. Okay, see, when we see a food, okay, so the appearance of food, the smell of the food and the taste of the food. Okay, so the taste of the food, appearance of the food and the smell of the food, creating a reflex action inside the salivary gland. Okay, creating a reflex action inside the salivary gland. So because of this reflex action, the salivary gland is stimulated. Okay, in last class we studied about 3 pairs of salivary glands are located inside the mouth. Okay, parotid salivary gland, submaxillary and sublingual. So these are the 3 pairs of salivary glands. So when we look at food materials, the taste, appearance and smell of the food materials stimulating our salivary gland, immediately our salivary gland producing saliva. Immediately the salivary gland is producing saliva. Understand that you? Understand? So this is the first point about this digestion in buccal cavity. Then we are going to study about mastication. Here, mastication meaning when the food materials are entered, when we keep the food materials inside the mouth, immediately the digestion is started. The digestion process is started by grinding and chewing the food materials. Okay, by grinding and chewing the food materials. So this process is called mastication. This process is called mastication. Okay, so when we keep the food material or when the food is entered inside the mouth, immediately the digestion process is started by grinding and chewing the food. So this process is called mastication. So it's a 2-mark question. Understand that you? Then next point, see, actually the saliva secreted by the salivary gland consists of many substances. That means saliva contains more amount of water, electrolytes, then salivary amylase, lysozyme and mucus. Okay, water, high amount of water is present in saliva, then some electrolytes are present, and one very important enzyme is present. Name of the enzyme is called salivary amylase, and one lysozyme is also enzyme, and the other one substance is called mucus also present in the saliva secreted by the salivary gland. Okay, here the lysozyme is acting as an antibacterial agent. Okay, when the microorganism enter inside the mouth, the lysozyme present inside the saliva is destroying that microorganism or destroying that bacterial cell. So this lysozyme is acting as an antibacterial agent. And the mucus present in the saliva is used for lubrication, giving lubrication to the food. Understand you? So the saliva contains more amount of water, different types of electrolytes, and salivary amylase also present. Okay, it also consists of lysozyme and mucus. Understand you? Then see, the mucus only helps to preparing the food for easy swallowing. Okay, mucus only, the mucus present in the saliva prepare the food for easy swallowing. That means the mucus only moistening the food material, giving moisture nature to the food material, and making the food into very soft condition. Okay, the mucus only making the food into very soft condition and giving lubrication to the food. Mucus only giving lubrication to the food. So now the food material is called bolus. Okay, so when the food is mixed with this mucus, it is converted into another one substance. This substance name is called bolus. Understand a few? Understand a few? So same repeat is called the mucus only preparing the food for easy swallowing by moistening the food, softening and lubricating the food, and now this food is called bolus. Now this food is called bolus. Understand a few? Then next point, see, salivary amylase. It's a very important enzyme present inside the saliva. Okay, 30% of the polysaccharide and starch which are present in the food is converted into disaccharide with the help of the salivary amylase. So the salivary amylase present in the saliva of the mouth and break down or converting 30% of the polysaccharides and starch into disaccharides. Understand a few? Understand? Then next point is, see, now already told you the food is mixed with the mucus and it is converted into another one form. It is called bolus. This bolus is passing from the buccal cavity to the next organ, pharynx. Okay, then it is passing from the pharynx to esophagus and finally it is reaching the stomach. Okay, so from the stomach the bolus is passing through the pharynx, esophagus and finally reaching the stomach. Understand a few? So when this food material is passing through these organs, one wave-like movement is present in these organs. Name of that wave-like movement is called peristalsis. Name of this wave-like movement is called peristalsis. Okay, so the peristalsis is the movement of food material from one part of the alimentary canal to next part. Okay, that means from the esophagus to stomach, when the food is moving, it is making a small wave-like appearance. This wave-like appearance is called peristalsis, or this wave-like movement is called peristalsis. Understand a few? Understand? Then, when we studied about the structure of this esophagus, clearly I told you, in between the esophagus and stomach, a sphincter muscle is present. The name of that sphincter muscle is called cardiac sphincter, otherwise called gastroesophageal sphincter. Cardiac sphincter, otherwise called gastroesophageal sphincter. So this gastroesophageal sphincter only regulate or controlling the passing of food from the esophagus to stomach. From the esophagus to stomach. Understand a few? Understand? So dear students, now we have completed the first digestion process, digestion in buccal cavity. Okay, so hope you all understood this digestion in buccal cavity, and here some one more questions also there. Okay, example, and the enzymes present inside the saliva. What's the name of the enzyme present in the saliva? Salivary amylase. Okay, understand? Like that, many one more questions also present. Then next, digestion in stomach. So food is digested inside the mouth, then the food is entered inside the stomach. how these food materials are digested inside the stomach. So now we are going to study about the digestion of food materials in stomach. Okay, actually the food is remain or kept inside the stomach for 4 to 5 hours. Okay, when we eat the food materials continuously 4 to 5 hours, the food is kept inside the or stored temporarily inside the stomach. Understand a few? Understand? Then see, when the food is present inside or kept inside the stomach, it is mixed with the gastric juice. Okay, here gastric juice means small and liquid-like substances secreted by the gastric glands. Here gastric glands are located in the wall of the stomach. Okay, so the wall of the stomach consists of large amount of gastric glands. These gastric glands secreting a liquid, name of that liquid like substance is called gastric juice. Understand a few? So already we studied about the peristalsis movement. So because of the peristalsis movement of the stomach, the food is mixed with the gastric juice present inside the stomach. Now it is converted into, now the food is converted into a creamy liquid. It's a creamy liquid. Name of this liquid is called chyle. Name of this liquid is called chyle. So dear students, once I repeat this point. See, when the food is, because of the peristalsis movement of the stomach, the food is mixed with the gastric juice present inside the stomach and it is converted into a creamy liquid. Name of that liquid is called chyle. Understand a few? Understand? Then the gastric juice of the stomach consists of more amount of hydrochloric acid and another one enzyme. Name of that enzyme is called pepsinogen. Okay, so the gastric juice secreted by the gastric glands of the stomach consists of more amount of hydrochloric acid and pepsinogen. Okay, this pepsinogen is a proenzyme. It is in inactive condition. Pepsinogen is in inactive condition. When this pepsinogen is exposed on hydrochloric acid, this pepsinogen is converted into pepsin. This pepsin is an active enzyme. So pepsinogen is a proenzyme, that means it's an inactive enzyme. This proenzyme pepsinogen is converted into pepsin with the help of the hydrochloric acid. Understand a few, my dear students? So once I repeat this word, the gastric juice of the stomach consists of hydrochloric acid and pepsinogen. This pepsinogen is converted into pepsin with the help or on exposure to hydrochloric acid. Hope you are understood all these points about the digestion in stomach. Then next point, say here already we studied this pepsinogen is converted into pepsin. This pepsin converting the proteins into protease and peptones. Okay, so the function inside the stomach, the function of the pepsin is converting the protein molecules which are present in the food into protease and peptones. So it's a 1 mark question. Proteins are converted into protease and peptones with the help of dash enzyme. What is the name of that enzyme? Pepsin. Understand a few? Then next, hydrochloric acid. Already I told you this gastric juice consists of more amount of hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid giving acidic medium for this pepsin and it also kill the microorganisms, harmful microorganisms and bacteria which are enter inside the stomach along with the food and water. Understand a few? So the function of this hydrochloric acid is two functions. First one is it is giving acidic medium to the pepsin and second one is killing the harmful microorganisms and bacteria which are entered inside the stomach. Hope you are understood this point. Then next one, say the mucus and bicarbonate present in the gastric juice. Okay, mucus and bicarbonate present in the gastric juice are used for lubrication purpose and it also protecting the epithelial tissues of the mucous membrane from the eroding of hydrochloric acid. Okay, see because of the over secretion or the high acidic nature of the hydrochloric acid, sometimes the epithelial tissues present in the wall of the stomach is eroded. Okay, it's damaged. Okay, so here the bicarbonate and mucus present in the gastric juice protecting the epithelial tissues of the stomach. Okay, from the acidic nature of the or excessive acidic nature of the hydrochloric acid. So this mucus and bicarbonate doing two important functions, playing very important two important roles. First one is giving lubrications and second one is protecting the epithelial tissues of the stomach from the high effect of hydrochloric acid. Hope you are understood these points. Understand my dear students? Then the last points about this digestion in stomach is one very important enzyme. One special type of enzyme is present in the stomach of the infant. Okay, so infant stomach, infant means children. Okay, so infant stomach, another one very important enzyme is present. Name of that enzyme is called renin. Name of that enzyme is called renin. This renin enzyme convert one milk protein. Name of that milk protein is called casinogen. Name of that milk protein is called casinogen. This casinogen is converted into casein with the help of this renin. And here the calcium ions also supporting. Okay, so with the help of the calcium ions, the support of calcium ion, renin converts a milk protein casinogen into casein. Okay, so here this is one of the very important one mark question. Which enzyme converting the casinogen into casein? The answer is called renin. Okay, so renin only converting the milk protein casinogen into casein with the help of calcium ions. Okay, dear students, then the last point is the amount of this renin or the secretion or the production of this renin is reduced with age. Okay, when we reach high age, automatically the amount of this renin secretion is reduced. Understand my dear students? So dear students, hope you all understood today's class also. So today we have completed the digestion in buccal cavity and digestion in stomach. Okay, so some 2 more questions are there. For example, what is in the mastication? Okay, so what is in the mastication? It's a 2 mark question, and many 1 mark questions also there. Okay, for example, now is a 2 example, 1 mark question. Which enzyme is converting the casinogen into casein? The answer is renin. Okay, like that, many 1 mark questions also there. So hope you all enjoyed today's class and try to complete these question 2 question answers today itself, because both questions are very important 3 mark question. Okay, understand? So we will meet in the next class. Thank you.